Hello everyone and welcome back to Machine's Visit. Before you take your next sip of Coca-Cola, there's something you need to know. What looks like a simple, refreshing drink is actually the result of one of the most controlled and secretive production systems in the world. We're talking about up to 800 million bottles every single day. It sounds impossible, but it happens. The real question is, how does such a simple drink dominate the world for over a century? Is it just the taste? Or is there something hidden behind the scenes? No matter how hard competitors like Pepsi try, Coca-Cola keeps winning. The reason lies in a secret formula protected for over 130 years, a global network of more than 900 bottling plants, and a production system so precise that it leaves no room for error. Today, you're about to see it for yourself as we step inside the Coca-Cola factory and uncover what really happens. No matter where it's produced, whether in the US, Mexico, or Brazil, every bottle tastes almost identical. This level of consistency is extremely rare and only possible through complete control of the process. At the center of it all is the mysterious formula known as Merchandise 7X. Only 2 people in the world know the full recipe, and they are never allowed to travel together. Interestingly, Coca-Cola didn't begin in a high-tech lab, but in a small pharmacy in Atlanta in 1886, where John Stith Pemberton created it as a tonic. Later, Asa Griggs Candler transformed it into a global empire through powerful marketing strategies, turning it into a world. The process begins with water, which makes up nearly 90% of Coca-Cola. However, this is not ordinary water. It goes through multiple stages of purification, including filtration, reverse osmosis, and UV sterilization to remove every impurity. Once purified, the process moves to the most important stage, the syrup. This includes sugar, caffeine, caramel for color, phosphoric acid, and the secret Merchandise 7X formula. The syrup is then mixed with purified water in large tanks under strict monitoring to ensure perfect consistency. Next comes carbonation, where carbon dioxide is injected under pressure to create the iconic fizz and refreshing sensation. After that, the drink moves to the packaging stage. PET bottles begin as small plastic preforms that are heated and expanded into full-size bottles. Aluminum cans are shaped from flat metal sheets, while glass bottles are often recycled, cleaned, sterilized, and inspected before reuse. Only the perfect containers are selected. Filling is one of the fastest stages, with hundreds of bottles filled every second under high pressure to preserve the fizz and prevent air contamination. Once filled, bottles are sealed instantly to lock in freshness. Then comes labeling, where advanced sensors ensure each label is placed with perfect accuracy. The bottles are grouped into packs, wrapped, and prepared for shipping. Robotic systems then stack these packs onto pallets with incredible precision before they are transported to stores within hours. But Coca-Cola is more than just a drink. It's part of a larger system involving marketing, psychology, and consumer habits. It is closely linked with fast food culture, enhancing the overall experience. At the same time, it faces strong competition from Pepsi, leading to one of the biggest marketing rivalries in history. However, there is also a darker side. In some countries, Coca-Cola consumption is extremely high, contributing to health issues like obesity and diabetes. The company has also faced criticism for water usage and environmental impact due to plastic waste. To address these issues, Coca-Cola continues to innovate with low-sugar options and sustainable packaging. The story then shifts to another global giant, KFC. Back in the 1930s, Colonel Harlan Sanders created a recipe of 11 herbs and spices. What started as a small idea became a worldwide empire with over 27,000 locations. Every year, more than 1 billion chickens are used in KFC meals. Behind every crispy bite is a highly controlled system that begins on modern poultry farms. Automated systems manage thousands of chickens per hour, ensuring efficiency and consistency. At processing plants, chickens go through a carefully controlled sequence including resting, stunning, cleaning, feather removal, cutting, and inspection. Only those meeting strict quality standards move forward. The chicken pieces are then coated in layers of batter and fried at high temperatures to achieve the signature crispy texture. Products like nuggets follow a similar process and are packaged for global distribution. The entire journey, from farm to final product, is designed for speed, precision, and consistency. The final part focuses on apples. What appears to be a simple fruit actually goes through a highly controlled system. Apples are washed using high-pressure water and sanitizing solutions, then dried and polished. Advanced scanners sort them based on quality, and only the best are selected for packaging. Others are processed into products like juice, cider, or desserts. In juice production, apples are crushed, pressed, filtered, and sometimes fermented to create cider. Each stage is carefully controlled to maintain quality. Some apples are harvested using machines that shake trees or collect fruit from the ground, prioritizing efficiency over perfection. The entire process, from harvesting to final product, is a balance between speed, scale, and quality. In the end, whether it's Coca-Cola, fried chicken, or apples, what seems simple is actually the result of complex systems working behind the scenes. These processes are hidden, controlled, and designed for consistency. And once you understand them, you realize that nothing is as simple as it appears.